So Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart in for a map today. Fairly standard, other than a little off-centre back box change, as you can see. But that's it, so it should be fairly plain sailing with this one. It's filthy. People know that they're getting a YouTube video made, so why they bring their cars to me absolutely filth, I don't know.
No, if I've got to travel, we do it before you got to the end of the road.
Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. Ooh. Ooh. What we're doing? So there we go. That's another Ralliart done. If you look at the graph, red line is before, blue line is after. Not particularly modified this car, and we finish on 197 brake and 226 foot-pound of torque. Fantastic. It's a 42 brake horsepower increase. Well done, Team Dynodaze.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.